story. Einstein, the mind that bent time. In the quiet German town of Ulm, 1879, a child was born who would one day shake the foundations of physics. His name was Albert Einstein, a boy who spoke slowly, questioned endlessly, and stared at the world as if it were a puzzle waiting to be solved. Einstein was not the best student. Teachers called him lazy, distracted, strange. But inside his mind, storms of ideas were forming, ideas far bigger than the classroom walls around him. One afternoon, young Albert watched a compass needle trembling toward the north. "How does it know?" he whispered. That moment lit a spark. What invisible laws guide the universe? Years passed. Einstein became a patent clerk in Switzerland, working long hours reviewing machines he didn't care about, but his mind never stopped wandering. Every evening he returned home with a single obsession: what would the world look like if I could ride beside a beam of light? This question became the seed of a revolution, the birth of the theory. Einstein began to realize that time and space were not rigid, they were flexible, like fabric, bending and stretching depending on how fast you move. He imagined clocks slowing down, rulers shrinking, masses growing heavier, not because of magic, but because the speed of light never changes, no matter how fast you chase it. In 1905, he published a paper that shattered science. Special relativity, the idea that time is not the same for everyone. Then came the famous formula: E equals mc squared. Energy and mass are two forms of the same thing. A tiny piece of matter holds explosive power. Einstein became a global icon, the face of genius. The greatest leap. But Einstein wasn't finished. He believed something deeper was hidden behind gravity. He imagined space and time as a great cosmic fabric. Planets and stars don't pull each other by invisible forces. They curve the fabric around them. This idea became general relativity 1915. Gravity is the bending of space-time. To prove it, scientists observed a solar eclipse. Starlight bent around the sun exactly as Einstein predicted. The world stood in awe. A simple patent clerk had rewritten reality. Einstein's legacy. Einstein didn't just discover equations. He taught humanity a new way to think. Time can stretch. Space can fold. Light is the ultimate speed. The universe is stranger and more beautiful than we imagine. His theories now power. GPS satellites. Nuclear energy. Black hole studies. Modern cosmology. Space-time technology. Einstein once said, "Imagination is more important than knowledge." And with imagination, he bent the universe to reveal its secrets.